my channel. My name is Mirna and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a beaded cross stitch. I bought it on the Etsy shop. Well, the person said that she was from the seller said she was from Ukraine, but the packages was shipped from the United States. It was shipped from Miami, so it didn't take long for me to receive it. I bought it because I did cross stitch before, but I never tried beaded cross stitch, and when I saw some online, I thought it was a good idea to try it. So I went online and looked for some kit, and this one is the only one that really catch my eye, so that's the one I decided to buy. As you can see, I took it out from the package already, and so we're gonna start with the unboxing. And the one that I got is a Miracle from India. I paid, I think, $49 and some change for it. It was on sale. I had to pay for the shipping too, so altogether I think I paid like nearly $50. So I don't know if it is expensive or not for beaded cross stitch, but that I really love the pattern. I think it's really beautiful. It's a really beautiful design. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the pattern. Like, it's a beautiful elephant. It's called I think Miracle of India. It's really, I find it really pretty. It's a color. It's very colorful. It's a, I think it's how do you say that? It's a partial though, it's not full. Alright, so I think it is, yeah, it has to come from probably Ukraine or Russia, because it is written in Russian in there with some translation in English, thanks God. Alright, put that on the side. I'm gonna put that here. Oh, that is really small. I didn't expect it to be that small. Alright, so let me see. The beads are really pretty. Like, they're very powerful. They really pop. I'm gonna show you if you can see the beads. They're really pretty. And now, hold on. Yeah, that's, you can see here it's written in Russian, and this side is written in English. You get like instruction on how to do beaded cross stitch. And now here is a canvas. A little pin here. I'm gonna be honest, as I said, I never did a beaded cross stitch before, but when I touch it, I know there were some other people selling exactly the same designs. They were more expensive, so I went with the cheapest one, but the quality is okay. I mean, like, it's not too thick. I guess it's alright. So now let's have a look at the beads. As I say, they're really pretty. And I like too that they're already in I'm gonna try to show you more. I like that they're already in Ziploc bags. I don't have to use container, and as you can see here, like on here, it gets a number already on the bag, and then on the canvas you get a legend with a number. So that's pretty cool. Alright, you get 23 colors, and it's a partial, and it looks good. They give you the needles too, but they don't give you like the thread. So I'm gonna have, I didn't know this was coming to the, wait, you can see here you get needles. They gave me 3 needles, so that's pretty nice. On the back here you have like some more design I get from the company that make this. Alright, so off camera I checked if all the color was there, the 23 colors, and they're all here. The only issue I have is that I wish they would have provided like a pattern on a paper, like to know exactly which color go where, because even if it is a partial, I think for some couple colors it may be a little bit confusing, like to know which one go where. So that's the only really complaint that I get about. And well, now I'm gonna measure really if it is true to size. They say that, well, the size is 30 by 30 centimeter or 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches. So let's see if it's true. I'm gonna get my tape measure. Alright, so on this side we got, well, that is bigger than what I said. They say 11.8 inches, but that's 13.5 inches by, same thing, 13 is here, so 13.5 inches too. Well, the size is bigger than what they say, but because it is partial and everything around here really you have no drills, so I think that it doesn't really matter that it's bigger. Or maybe like I start to see now that you get like a square here. Maybe they're talking about this area being 11.8 by 11.8. So let's see. Oh, yep. So yeah, I guess that's what they're talking about. What if you buy a kit from this company, you're gonna see, okay, you get the canvas and you get the picture, and the picture is bigger than the size as they say, and then on the inside, I don't think you guys can see here, but there is a square drawn, like a white, it's a white line all around, and I think that's what they mean. Oh, yeah, I think that's what they mean by the 11.8. So I think it's because if you want to mount it on a canvas, then you get some room, you know, to like to kind of fold it around. So that may be why it's like this. So that was 11.8 from here to here, and let's go from here to here. Yeah, that is exactly 30 centimeter or 11.8 inches. That's pretty good. I cannot wait to get started on this project because online, like, the picture is really gorgeous once it's done. But you know, I mean, with the lighting and maybe it's been a little bit Photoshop, maybe it looks better than what it really gonna be. So I don't know when I'm gonna start it, but I hope soon because I got already so many projects that I gotta finish that I hope this one gonna be done very soon. So that's it. Well, they said that you can, I see here because I was looking what it says, and they said that you can hand wash it. And of course, to not use bleach if you wash it, and that you can iron it on the back, and not to squeeze it or scratch or rub the canvas during embroidery. Yeah. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.